Now it's a pleasure for me to welcome Dave Hughes. He's Managing Director of HCC Embedded, and he will tell us something about the new products his company is presenting here at the show. Please go ahead, Dave.
Thank you. HCC Embedded is a specialist developer of flash file systems for embedded devices. Traditionally, flat file system has been used very widely on embedded systems. This is a very flawed way of developing embedded systems. Fundamentally, a flat file system is designed not to handle errors correctly, such that if you lose power at certain moments in time, you can have a completely corrupt system. Embedded systems are largely developed for people whose data is valuable, and this must be maintained. And it seems very strange to develop a system with a fundamentally unreliable concept. To compensate for this, HCC have developed their safe file system, which is suitable for use on all embedded microcontrollers in the same way as a flat file system is. And what this does is give the developer secure knowledge that all their data, all their valuable data and their configuration information will always be maintained as long as they design the system within certain sensible parameters. We believe this is a major contribution to embedded development and enables people to develop much more reliable products while not losing compatibility with the PC.
Okay, so embedded systems are used in a variety of different markets and applications. Are there special applications for your products, or are they more for general use in all of the embedded systems?
Well, the flat file system technology has been used a lot in consumer electronics, and components like SD cards and compact flash cards are also used in consumer electronics. These are not designed for fail-safe, reliable environments. So most embedded developers have taken these components on and the file system with it without really understanding that this is not good for valuable data. So any company that wants to develop something where their data is valuable, where they need high reliability in their product, when they need to know their system out in the field will retain the data that it's stored, should use a reliable file system, and that simply does not match up to that.
Does it mean you can use it for safety critical applications as well?
At this moment it's not certified for safety critical, but it would be a good base for developing a safety critical application.
Okay.
There are factors with safety critical which there's two techniques. One is to black box it, and depends whether the data that has been stored is part of the safety critical requirement, or whether that is just a logging process. So as always with all safety critical developments, the actual implementation is critical.
Okay, thank you very much, Dave.
You're welcome.